Okay, first thing to do is take out the back fold plate. So we take the back fold plate out, and then this is the flap. So just make sure this flap is in the up position. When you push this down, you've got notches on here and here. So make sure that they're sat on this bar and it's clicked in precisely. Okay, so when we put this one up into the machine, we push it in. We can't just let it rest. Okay, we need to push it up and click it down. So force it down, and then when you look at the machine where those notches are, you can see that they're sat securely on the actual machine. All right, so we push it in. So this is not, because I could get it out quite easily, it wasn't secured in there. So push it in and click it down, move it to left and right, give it a nice little wiggle, and then you know that you've got it in there secure. Okay, front fold plate, the large one, lift up, and that just clicks in. That's kind of, give it a wiggle. It's a bit easier on that side one. As I say, the jamming handle that you found from underneath the machine, that fits inside there. Okay, switcher on. Okay, you've set already your guides, I guess. Pop the paper in into the tray here. Don't need to press down or anything. You don't need to press down on this part here at all. You just need to pop your paper in. Okay, and then you can press start. Cool. If it does stop feeding at all, and you need to give it a little tap, sometimes you just need to give it a little tap on the, because it's gravity fed, these ones. Sometimes you need just to give it a little slight tap on there to get it going. All right. So then you should have your zip fold.